If you are ready to switch to a career in tech and need guidance, this video is for you. I'm going to talk about how to actually make the switch. Step 1. Why do you want to move into tech? Is it because of career growth, better pay, remote work, solving meaningful problems? When learning gets hard and it's real, your why keeps you going. So you have to think of the why. Why do you want to get into tech? Because that is what will keep you going in tech. Step 2, explore tech career options. Don't just chase trends. Choose what fits you. Research roles like software development, UI UX design, cybersecurity, data analysis, product management, technical writing. Match them with your strength and interest so you can know the one that suits you. Step 3, identify your transferable skills. Here's the secret. You already have tech relevant skills. Skills like communication, project management, critical thinking, customer service. Tech companies value this. Your past experience is not wasted. It's an advantage. That's especially for those that are trying to switch career. Step 4, learn the required skills. Pick one role. That's one tech role. Focus and start learning. Use online courses, boot camps, self-study. Build small projects as you go. For example, if you're an aspiring developer, you can start with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Progress will lead to perfection. The 5th step is to build a portfolio. Degrees matter less than proof. Create projects, personal, freelance, or volunteer. Show what you can do. Employers want skills, not just certificates. The 6th step is to join a tech community. Opportunities often come from people, not applications. So you can join a GitHub, Stack Overflow, LinkedIn tech groups, meetups, and online communities. Always be ready to network, ask questions, and also share your journey with others so you can learn together. The 7th and final step I'm going to mention is for you to be strategic with your job applications. Combine your past experience with your new tech skills. Example, if you're from a finance background, consider fintech roles. Health background, health tech companies. Mix them together. So if you're in finance today and you are going to fintech, mix it together so we can know that the knowledge you have in finance will even help you in your development or any other tech role you are applying for. Same with health care background. This makes you stand out immediately. So switching to tech is not instant, but it's possible. If you stay consistent, keep learning, and believe in yourself, your tech career is closer than you think. If you want clear guidance, structured learning, and mentorship, visit my website, evans-Okosodo.com. You'll find more resources there, and you can also register for mentorship to get personal support and guidance on your tech journey.